Hey guys, good morning. I am CJ and welcome back to my channel. So ngit-ngit kayo diri against the light. Ari ko pikas kayo against the light pero ang batay later. Ako diri karon balik sa Escario Central Mall. Mall ba ni? Kay para mukaon, muhab-hab kay Pasko na. Pero wait sa. Okay, ako ang helmet ilidana naman ako. So rin na punta sa Shawarma Gourmet kay mga unang punta. The best shawarma in Cebu. Legit Lebanese food. So I'm with my friends from BYC and Grammar Session Cebu. Mas kalawa ko na po lang trip. Pero let's go and enjoy this day. Share peace and love. Ta, let's do jogging. Chasing James. Yes. Gamay kayo. Master Homie. Daisy. Idol vlog star. Kasi siguro na ito rin hag.
Kuwangan mo yung slit, master?
Kuwangan pang slit?
Dapat ang hindi ito yan,
oh. Then in protocols. Stay safe guys. Muna nagkaroon, kung karoon sa ako nag-jacket, karoon po ni init. Diba? OTD is pang jogging or pang bugnaw. Or...
May katatak.
Sambusik. Dili ni siya empanada guys. Sambusik ni siya. Mura lang siya empanada. It's Lebanese guys. It's authentic Lebanese food in Cebu City. Pero autofocus siya. Sige na lang. Asa may lasa, Master Holmes?
Ako lang ko eh.
Sige ra. Wala ba ni round 1?
Ay, round 1 ba nister?
Oh, appetizer. Kani daw. Maglamit gini. Zaatar and Cheese. Cool. Ganahan ko sa Zaatar, lahi siya lasa gid nga kanang unique ba.
Mo ang Zaatar mister?
Kanang black na spices mo ni Zaatar.
Kani.
So guys,
Kanang wet mo ba nang yogurt
guys, nasa siya yung fries.
So this is the lebne, kaning white guys mo na siya Lebanese yogurt and cherbalo. Oh my god, kailangan ko kay mangga. My favorite fruit ever. Watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon. Papaya. Papaya. Banana, banana. Wow. This is the salad sa kuan. Tropical salad. I love it because it has mango.
Try the cheese,
This is the beef. Initay? It's full of beef guys. Wow. Ilang mga food really like the yogurt, their manakish, their Lebanese pizza, and then there's some musik or the Lebanese empanada is dili gid siya niyo makuan nga Philippinized na ilang taste kay. Kaya na as we all know that the Filipino tongue is sweet, so mo na natay Filipino spaghetti nga tawag Escario, pero kani this is really authentic guys kay. Wala po katong Lebanon, mura ko na katong Lebanon guys.
Personal review, mostly food at Tonandan is sweet and salty here in the Philippines. But if you sa to
that's why I like the Zaatar because it's salty and it's kind of different. So, karon murag dili na ko mga kaunog Zaatar nga kuan.
By the way guys, it's my first time to try this kind of food, but the one thing that I observe is there's a lot of spicy na imong taste during every bite na joy. Na spicy na nila serve. Na shipite because you know Middle East nga kuan nga cuisine is like that. How you like that? Oh. I think most of us, mga Cebuano, kahiling mo ta mo explore mga different flavors. So, pool naman kayo ato mga usual na kinakaon like pungko-pungko, lechon, or anything else na makita nato sa tong kadalanan. Pero, unique kayo dire ang experience sa Shawarma Gourmet, guys. It's because tatak Lebanese ilang mga food. So, nito kini siya i-explore ninyo guys. Kahit sa unique experience po ninyo. So, ganun mo explore mga different food here in Cebu. You must check here sa Shawarma Gourmet. Diba, bes?
Shawarma Gourmet! So this is the shawarma platter.
Yeah, what is the other one?
This is a beef, this is a chicken, and this is the platter. Let's dig in, everybody! Busog na kayo ko bitaw. Kanya, pero hyper kayo ko. Cause staying alive, staying alive. And we have a beef.
Look at that.
Patay. This is the beef shawarma. Mushrooms, kau nggak mushrooms? Busuk na kayo eh.
Again?
Pita bread. This is the baklava. And the coffee.
Okay, I'm not included.
Wow.
It's like a green coffee.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Ano yung star Lebanese coffee?
This is part of baklava, what we call it bird nest. With the pistachio. This is with cashew nut. These are dates fingers, like coated with sesame seed, and that's dates.
Yeah.
Baklava, there's a lot of names for it, but the whole dessert is called baklava. Different shapes.
Oh, okay. Iyan pa ni? Oh my god.
Uy!
Asal?
Kapiling
Why kwintang live po? Kaya skin-and-one baby.
Dessert?
911 baby. Tanaw baby. Balutin mo ako ng iwagan iyong pagmamahal.
Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituing walang ningning.
Kuta na kami din. Kuta na kami.
Kuta ko na lang guys.
Kuta na.
Huwag makiwan na.
Wala naman na energy. Happy. Busog Master Holmes.
Busog juga yung star.
Yogurt?
Oh.
Yogurt girl.
Busog.
Ayaw na, girl.
This is shitting.
Super. Thank you so much, Shawarma Gourmet and CJ Estrada Lodi,
Apil mo ko.
for inviting us here. Char!
La, bring house oh.
Yes, dahil yung green house.
Thank you so much, Shawarma Gourmet, for inviting us today. And we enjoy a lot of different dishes here, and it was so amazing. And hopefully we can go back here and try some different Lebanese food soon.
Apil, balik na mo dahil.
Kapila sa tigaw niya sa kamlag.
Oh.
Kaya para na kay
Auto.
sulti.
Hi guys, so I'm so having fun here at Shawarma Gourmet and I'm so very full as you can see in my tummy. Diba? Why kwenta ang live po? Thank you very much Shawarma Gourmet for having us. So guys, if you want authentic Lebanese food here at Cebu City, please make sure to visit here or drop by here at Escario Central Mall. They're located at Escario Central Mall and just here, Shawarma Gourmet. Sulod na mo gamay na kita sa Shawarma Gourmet. They're also available on Grab Food, or you can also contact their numbers directly and then have it delivered by Lalamove or Maxim. It's up to you guys. I'll put the numbers on the description box below so you can check them out. There's not a lot of Lebanese or Middle Eastern food here in Cebu City, so make sure you can drop by here and experience authentic Lebanese cuisine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.
So guys, premiere na si Sir CJ. So kailangan natin maging plastic. So kailangan natin sumali sa premiere niya kasi alam mo naman, di ba? That's, di ba? Plastican, di ba?
Plastic 101 sa
Plastic 101 mo sa first time. Batayin.
So kay Sir Jude at saka kay Miss Marley, first day, so plastic.
Sa mukha.
Ano sabi mo?
Yay! Okay, changing gift with me guys. Simpler niya akong gift pero hope na maling fake na sa akong gift.
Santa has a problem. He's lost his Santa sock. Remember where he left it.
Left!
Left!
Sir CJ.
Huh?
2,000 years later.
The commercial for Santa's shop and take the shortcut. The end.
Balik. Tagaan ko pa. Tagaan ko pa.
It's a brand!
It's a prank. Prank. Ibalik, nagyapon na yung tagda ko pa.
This time, Setsu. Now, let's see what he left me. Wow. That's all.
Mana? Utara day. Grabe, nakadapting. Hindi man i-publish.
Singa na lang na, oy!
Wala, Marvel.
Maybe I want an earring.
Wala na naman. Salamat, Master.
Kuya, kuha mo na!
Paray mo.
Marvel.
Elise na naman ka. Amazing.
Talaga yung namin niya guys. Surprise.
Kasama pag-surprise.
I got
May pang-out lang ka, Hermel.
Oy, kuya ko!
Wow, pang-out!
Kaya pala mabigat. Cupcake.
Starbucks yan guys.
Kami na akong beaker.
One cup para sa harina, gano'n.
Kami na akong beaker para makawan pag-chemistry ba. Alright guys, that's it for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share, release, and love!